If you're seeing the X.com or Twitter error code 429, that means the platform has detected too many requests from your account, device, or browser in a short period of time. In simple terms, X is telling you to slow down, and the fastest way to fix it is to stop all activity and let the cooldown expire. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what to do so you can get back into X without wasting time. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. First, stop refreshing the page, stop logging in and out, and stop trying to post, like, follow, or repeat the same action over and over. The more you keep trying, the longer the rate limit can last. The best first step is to wait anywhere from 1 to 24 hours. For many users, the error clears on its own after the cooldown period ends. While you wait, avoid using the same account aggressively across multiple tabs or devices. Now, if you want to speed things up on the browser side, clear your cookies and cache. On Windows or most browsers, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete at the same time. This opens the Clear Browsing Data menu right away. Select cookies, cached images and files, and any other browser data you want to remove, then confirm the deletion. This can help reset stored session data that may be contributing to the issue. After that, close the browser completely and reopen X.com again. Try signing in and loading the site one more time. If the error is still there, give it more time and avoid repeated attempts. The key here is patience, because error 429 is usually temporary and tied to rate limits, not a permanent account problem. Once the cooldown passes and the cache is cleared, X should load normally again. So the full fix is simple. Stop all actions, wait for the limit to reset, and press Ctrl, Shift, Delete to clear cookies and cache. If this helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more fast troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.